Everybody.
Oh, wow. What are we doing here?
Watching. This is basically
What?
low limbo contest. Low limbo contest. You win. You cheated. You cheated.
Last standing Miata.
Oh, antenna. Ah! It was the antenna, bro. You're already lost.
You need to get a stubby antenna, but yeah, you lost. Wait, I thought you was a judge.
We even got a dog to get bonus points.
Watch your toes. Hey, go.
His head though.
Oh, he's got the antenna.
Marcus getting the V-dub?
I have no idea what he's doing. A little early, I think.
They can still sit up.
Oh, watch your antenna. You're not low enough. Not low enough. Goodbye, floor pain. What's going on over there? Yo.
Everyone have fun. Don't touch the star. We need you.
Oh, you're golden. Oh yeah, you got the antenna down now. There you go. Got it.
My fire extinguisher went off.
At first I thought it caught on fire.
Not that low yet.
I got the top down now. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's 100%.
He's gonna get it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You want me to take it off? Yeah!
Oh, live to see another day. Oh, you got like half an inch.
All arms in, all bodies on top. Let's get it, guys.
Oh, come on.
Are we talking?
All right, guys, watch all.
Oh yeah. You're almost stuck in wheel.
That's good.
I don't know, man. You're good. No, stay on it.
Oh my
I think you're gonna make
No,
it.
yeah.
I think you're good.
Oh yeah. The boat made it. Which Miata's gonna win? Think low. Oh.
Get on it.
Uh-oh. Pink. Oh, this again.
All bodies on deck for the boat.
Yeah, I'm going down the What?
Get in the center. Get on the hood.
Don't touch the star. Don't hit the star. Brody, get on the back.
I think you're out.
Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
More people!
Oh, do that again. Oh, yeah. Barely. Good. Good.
Oh, Jagger, that went. No, the wind's gonna get you, man. I think.
If not now, eventually. Yee! No, he's good. He's good. Is this even necessary yet? Oh. How do we get people on it? We gotta get people on it?
There you go.
Oh, ah! He saved the cone. He saved the cone.
That was my back toe,
Alright, we got our winner.
You need coilovers.
She's only got push pins.
Yeah. Oh, you're good.
Nah, man. This was a mistake. Yeah, you
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Oh shit.
Wait.
Oh my god, you
Oh
got
my
it.
god.
No.
Watch the seat.
Yo, open the truck. I'm hopping.
Yeah, me and Tinker.
You don't need that roof.
You hit it last time, bro. I don't think you're gonna make it this time.
Yeah. It gets lower.
I don't think you can see. Yeah, no, there's no way.
Yeah.
All bodies on deck. Yeah, he's good.
Ooh, go slow.
Yeah, you got it.
You're solid.
Yeah, you got
I think your wind's gonna get you. It might not, but it might. Connor touches.
Marcus, what are you doing? Marcus, what are you doing?
Waiting. Where? You're good. I want to hang on the side. On my level? I want to send the center of the
Yeah, nice plank. Is this a new planking challenge?
You're like off by like George.
Touch, you guys lost. You did all that for nothing. That's not gonna I don't think
That would have hit.
Yeah, you're out on your holiday. That way, you guys.
Oh.
You're stronger than him, my guy.
Boba. Oh.
That's a boba.
Oh God.
Did he save it or no boba spilled?
Good, okay.
Oh, good.
Yeah, no.
It's an antenna.
Okay, so I think we can all learn a valuable lesson. If you're trying to win Limbo, you cannot have an antenna.
Yeah. Facts. Hold on.
Oh yeah.
Air out.
I don't want to fuck up your shit. No, he definitely got it.
No, that's definitely not.
That's not making it.
That's glass. You would have tapped the glass.
Yeah, you're done.
Oh yeah, dink.
I don't know why you guys are putting this is it. Over. Hey, if you need extra person, This isn't gonna happen. I'm gonna try it.
That's the only way to win.
Oh yeah, you're good. You're good. You got an inch. You got an inch.
What?
Yeah. Having fun? Yes.
You don't got this, bro. Oh yeah, you do. My bad. My mistake.
We're getting down there.
You don't got it, bro.
He's getting there.
That guy's getting real cocky with it.
Yeah. I'd be a little bit nervous with that card.
Tyler, we love you.
You're out, bro. Bro, you got this.
No,
You're out. Go
you
take
got
a
this.
seat, bro.
Sorry. Your clutch.
Rest in peace, clutch.
Rip clutch. Rip clutch.
Oh, he's going down. He's going down.
I think you're out. Even though you got Miata, I think it's not that.
Wait, can I send it in? Wait. Have him send it.
Hold on.
Wait.
Bro, you're out, Jesus.
Yeah.
You're out, Jesus. Sorry, bro. Slow down.
I'm just going home.
Oh. Oh, you're out. Now go home.
He might hit on his head though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
I think you're gonna win.
No, you're good.
This is where it's gonna get interesting now.
Yeah, Miata on Miata hate crime.
Oh.
The antenna, man. That antenna.
Yeah, that antenna. Oh.
Take it off.
No, you're not even gonna get there. Not even gonna get there.
Chop your head off.
He's like trying not to hit it. He's like, no! Not the face! Think low! You're good, you're good.
Miata crime right now.
It literally sounds like somebody's dragging a dumpster down the street. Not saying his car is trash, but that's what it sounds like. How many more people could fit on top of it? Oh. Easy.
Miatas shouldn't even be allowed to compete.
Go get coilovers.
You're right.
Go get coilovers. That's like the first thing you need to do to that. I'm telling you.
I don't get how the Miata's competing against any other car is fair. It's
No, the VW thing. That's a cheater. How many people can fit on top of a Miata? Watch your thumb. Nope, it's not happening. There you go. Yeah, you're good there. You ate the lowest point right now. So.
Shit, there are so many people.
Yeah, how many more people can we fit on this Miata?
Look at that.
No way!
Wait.
There you go. This is crazy. But that's all it takes is that little bit extra. Now where's the bottom dragger? Not to say it's a crap car, but the one is dragging, sounds like they're dragging a dumpster down the side of the road.
I know.
Like, I'm not trying to call this car crap,
No,
but that's what it sounds like.
He knows, dude.
Yeah.
I asked him if he's scraping on the frame rails. He said no, because there's no frame rails left to scrape on.
That car's about to fold in half. Dude. It probably would if it wasn't laying on the ground already.
Yo, put your legs down, bro.
Yo. Put your head down.
Alright, is everybody down?
Everybody get all warm and snuggy.
Put them legs down.
Ah!
Everybody.
Oh, wow! Everybody down. Then you got this.
Yeah, right, a moment of silence.
Oh, you're good.
Still winning.
Hold your breath. You good? Okay.
Drag his car around the parking lot like David.
Okay, now we got bodies. You got a chance. You live to see another day or no?
It's not gonna happen.
What's next? You gotta let the air out of the tires?
I know, right? Can you fit anyone else? Hard.
Yo.
We can in the middle.
Somebody else hop on, man. Put your head down.
Wow. It ain't no thing. Marcus, what are you doing?
They're trying to get more people in the car.
Like I said, at this point, it's just turned into how many people can fit on a Miata.
Miata, yeah, exactly. It's like he deflates all the air out of his tires.
Yeah, that's literally what they're gonna do next. We still live?
Okay.
Hello, can you go?
Somebody lay right there.
We're gonna snap. Yeah. Do you have glass coverage? Oh my, wow! Oh my goodness, this side, you're good. Wait for it, it's gonna be over dramatic. Good. Oh wow, look at that. God damn.
You guys are gonna win.
Every time he goes around the corner, I feel like somebody just hit a dumpster. That's what it sounds like, right? Somebody on the hood. No, uh-oh. Ah, wait. Careful.
I got you.
Yeah, just hold on to the cowl. Make sure you turn your hat down. There, you good. Careful, slowly, he's falling off. You're... Uh-oh. No. You gotta let the air out. If you make it another round, you gotta deflate. There we go.
Are you laughing? No, you're not gonna make it, man.
You might make it. No.
Wait, it won't even move. No.
Applause for the winner real quick, please.
Wait, it's gotta make it first.
Yeah, he's gonna make it.
Yeah, are you?
What the fuck?
What'd you guys do? Air up?
I just want to say thank you to everybody that comes out every week. I know we've been doing a lot, changing locations, so I really appreciate you guys staying on top of it and spreading the word. I also really appreciate it when you guys don't leave doing dumb shit. For everybody that comes and respects the spot, we appreciate it because it makes it easier for everybody else as well. So thank you so much for coming out. Please leave respectfully when you do leave. What time is it right now? 9:45. You guys can still hang out for like another hour. But yeah, thank you guys. Just wanted to thank you guys.
Round of applause,
Yeah.
everyone.
1, 2, 3. Respect the spot.
Respect the spot, Marcus.
Respect the spot.
Marcus.
Bro, I brought the crumb.
She is off. Look at her go. Respect the spot.
Respect the spot.
I'm a true champion.